Hi, I'm Rebecca Kitchen. I'm a registered massage therapist and I am the owner of Rebecca and RMTs. That name became more official in June 2018 when we moved to 513 Dundas Street, and there were so many practitioners we didn't have enough room on the sign. Right now we have 4 RMTs, a fascial stretch therapist who is also a personal trainer, and a Reiki therapist. I've been a massage therapist for 13 years and I am a acupuncture practitioner for 10, and I also do cupping therapy as well as pre and postnatal massage. I work with some of the greatest clients and colleagues. We have a great team and I love coming into work. One of my passions is to do fundraising for mental health or other charities in need that are local to Oxford County. One of the bigger ones I've had is for the free counseling in Oxford County. In the pandemic, it was really stressful for everyone, and we kept a really close touch and talked daily with our team and just kept everyone motivated and ready to come back to work. And any questions anyone had, we tried our best to just keep on going. And being back has been so awesome. We feel like we're back in our new normal. But we're just waiting to see what fall has to bring. When I first became an RMT, I knew I wanted to work for myself, but also have a team of other RMTs with me. So I created a space that could accommodate growing a family and being off, and we are still growing now. So we have an awesome team and a busy clientele, and we're very excited. I'm so thankful for whoever nominated me for this award, and I am very grateful that I got to do this. I will either see you around looking like this or like this. Thank you and have a great day.